Hi everyone, welcome back to my vegan cooking show. Today we are making omelette and I'm going to experiment with just egg. Should be available at your grocery store. Let me show you ingredients which I'm going to use for my omelette today. I have cauliflower, spinach, mushrooms, garlic, and orange chili, which I find among green chili, onions, and tomatoes. I already put a little bit of cauliflower in my non-sticky pan. I put a little bit of oil in there, and I started with cauliflower because cauliflower cooks a little bit longer than my other ingredients, and then slowly I will add other ingredients. Let me start sauteing process. Okay, to add slowly my other ingredients. A little bit of onions. It's time to add my garlic and chili. Mushrooms now. I'm going to let it saute for a few more minutes before I add tomatoes, and then at the end I'm going to add spinach. Okay. It's time for my substitute egg to go in. And make sure to cover all the veggies with it. Okay, looks beautiful. I'm going to come closer to camera to show you how it looks like. Using this kind of spoon now, and make sure there's no liquid here by edge of my pan. And if you see a little bit of liquid, just make sure to push it in. Okay, let's see how that looks like for me. Okay, looks good. And pretty soon I'm going to be ready to turn this to the other side. And then you have to make sure that you're using non-sticky pan, otherwise it's not going to work for you. Okay. I'm ready to flip it. Just flip it to my other side. I will fold it in half now. I'm transferring my omelette to my plate now. I am so proud of myself because I created a beautiful looking omelette, and I'm sure it's delicious. I'm going to show you how that looks like. I said it works 99%. Besides, I still have to learn how to flip that better, but this is a learning process, and eventually I'm going to be good at it. And I'm going to taste it now to see how it is. Please be careful when you choose this kind of method. If you choose to use just egg, please be gentle with it. Yeah, be careful when you flip it to the other side. I'm going to start. Oh, also, you can put anything you want on there. Vegan cheese, vegan sour cream. You can use vegan mayo. But I'm still thinking that it's good the way it is. Let me just try it. It's very, very good. Mine is a little spicy. I like spicy food because I put a little bit of chili. If you don't like it spicy, you can use it. And then you can use other veggies. If you have any veggie leftovers, just go ahead and create omelette. If you like my recipe, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I see you in my next video. Bye.